The Ducati Streetfighter V4 SP2 isn't just another naked bike, it's a statement. With racing DNA, cutting-edge technology, and an unmistakable design, this machine redefines what a naked superbike can be. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Ducati Streetfighter V4 SP2. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece. From the race-ready components to the raw power of its V4 engine, this is Ducati's ultimate naked weapon. Let's dive into the details. At the heart of the SP2 is Ducati's 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine, producing 208 horsepower and 90.4 lp-f of torque. It's paired with a lightweight dry clutch, giving it that signature Ducati sound. The SP2 comes with a quick shift Evo 2 system, helping you rip through gears on the track or street with precision and ease. And let's not forget the top speed. This beast can exceed 180 mph. What makes the SP2 even more special is its weight, or lack thereof. Thanks to carbon fiber wheels, a lithium-ion battery, and other lightweight components, it tips the scales at just 196 kg, 432 points. The Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension system is fully adjustable, giving you razor-sharp handling both on the road and on the track. The Öhlins Smart EC 1.0, the SP2 takes aerodynamics seriously, with MotoGP-inspired winglets generating downforce to keep you stable at high speeds. And let's talk about the design. This bike screams performance with its carbon fiber accents and matte black finish. The full-color TFT display gives you all the data you need, and the electronic rider aids, distraction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS are top-notch, ensuring you're always in command. This is no ordinary street fighter. The SP2 is a limited edition model built for those who want the very best Ducati has to offer. But exclusivity comes at a price, around $36,000 to be exact. The Ducati Streetfighter V4 SP2 isn't just another naked bike, it's a statement. With racing DNA, cutting-edge technology, and an unmistakable design, this machine redefines what a naked superbike can be.